Namaskar and warm greetings to all learners, educators, researchers and professionals joining us today. I am Dr. Meherchand from the Department of Physical and Mathematical Sciences, Baba Farid College, Bathinda, and I am delighted to welcome you to this exciting journey into the world of applied mathematics and computational engineering. It gives me immense pleasure to officially announce the launch of our certificate course on engineering mathematics with MATLAB, a practical approach. This course is carefully designed to bridge the gap between abstract mathematical theory and its practical applications in engineering using one of the most powerful tool available, MATLAB. In this course, we will explore essential topics such as linear algebra, differential equations, numerical method, transform and automation. But more importantly, we will go beyond theory to focus on real-world problem solving hands-on implementation using MATLAB. Here is a brief introduction about the course. MATLAB is a high-level programming language and interactive environment developed by MathWorks. It is widely used for numerical computation, data analysis, algorithm development, and visualization. With built-in toolboxes, it supports application in engineering, science, finance, machine learning, control system, and more. MATLAB's user-friendly interface and powerful plotting capabilities make it ideal for both beginners and advanced users working to technical computing tasks. Through step-by-step coding demonstration, simulation based on learning and visualization, you will not only understand the foundation mathematical concept but also build the skill to model, analyze and solve engineering problems. So here are the several applications of MATLAB. You can see in the engineering application MATLAB use in engineering for the data analysis and simulation. We can use MATLAB for scientific research, economic modeling, matrix operations, signal processing, control system, machine learning, development efficiently, prototyping, data visualization, numerical simulations, and more. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently apply our concept of engineering mathematics like linear algebra, calculus, differential equations, and automations using MATLAB. You will gain hands-on experience in solving real-world engineering problems through simulation and algorithm development. This course will strengthen your computational thinking, enhance your modeling skill, and enable you to visualize and interpret complex data effectively. Most importantly, you will walk away with this practical MATLAB skill that are valuable for both academic and industrial application. This course is ideal for engineering students, UG or PG, faculty members, researchers, and industry professionals who wish to apply mathematics in their respective domain. With self-paced flexibility, lecture recordings, script file, presentations, PDF notes, and interactive quizzes, the experience is crafted to suit diverse learning styles. These are the mainly workflow of the course which everyone have to cover. The modules are starting from introduction to engineering mathematics and MATLAB, method programming, essential linear algebra in engineering, calculus and symbolic computation, ordinary differential equations, partial differential equations, transform and their applications, automation technique, control system, analysis and design, and at the end engineering application and project work. So there are total 10 modules are there which we will cover here according to this sequence. And to get the certificate of participation, there is a assessment method. Time to time quizzes and tests will be provided to all the participants, which is the basic requirement. Assignment and at the end project will be assigned to all the participants based on your skill which you will learn during this course. You have to fulfill at least one project according to your interest. This is the overview how you can register for this course. So you can find here the details of the fees structure is there for registration for national participant from India. Fee is 500 Indian rupee, and for the international participant from any country 25 USD only. And most important thing is that international participant can make payment via PayPal only, and interested participant are requested to connect with us on WhatsApp first for further instructions. WhatsApp number are given here for the contact us, but we prefer WhatsApp only. And registration link is there. You can follow this URL as well as Indians can follow this scan to register. So this is the overview about the detail of the registration and about the course. So once again, I welcome you all to this course, transformative learning experience. Get ready to explore, experiment, and enhance your understanding of the engineering mathematics with the MATLAB. Let's begin this journey of practical discovery together. Thank you, and all the very best to all the participants. Thank you.